Hello guys, how are you all doing? So you're welcome to another video tutorial. Here we'll be discussing how you can make your first sale on Seller. How you can make your first sale on Seller. So you want to pay close attention because you are listening to someone that has made countless sales on Seller as an affiliate marketer and even as a creator. So in this video, I'll be covering a lot of things for you guys. Aside from showing you guys how to make sales, I'll show you how to navigate the Seller platform. I'll show you how to add your bank details to receive payments, how to copy your affiliate link for promotion, and most importantly, I will give you access to products you can promote on Seller in case you don't have money to pay and access the marketplace. So guys, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinoso, and on this channel I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you can always get updated whenever I drop videos. So let's get started. So today's lesson will be very simple. Even if you're a total newbie in the online space, you should be able to do these simple things I'm about to show you. So to get started with the whole affiliate marketing on Seller, you need to create an account on Seller. I believe most of us here have already created an account. So just go ahead and create your account. But if you don't know how to create an account, you should just check the link in the description on how to create a Seller account for free. So once you are done creating your account, you'll be welcome with this interface. So Seller is actually a very simple platform, like very simple to navigate platform, but most of us are already stuck after creating our account. So let me explain some basic things to you guys. So Seller was created for three different set of people. First, for affiliate marketers. I believe you already know who affiliate marketers are. Those that sell other people's products. Secondly, it was created for digital creators. These are those that want to sell their own products. And lastly, for customers. So these are a set of people that bought product on Seller at one point or the other. So for you to switch in between these three, you simply click on this up here. I guess you can see the three different profile. We have the creators profile, affiliate profile, and customers profile. So for you as an affiliate marketer, you have no business with this other two. What you want to focus on is the affiliate profile. And this video was created majorly for affiliate marketers. So ensure yours is in affiliate profile so that you don't get confused as we progress. Alright, that being said, let me show you guys how you can add your bank details on Seller. Because what is good about making money on any platform if you can't withdraw it? So for you to add your account details on Seller, all you need to do is just click on this three dash up here. So once you click on that, you'll get to see some load ups by the left. So just go to where you have wallet and payout. So you get to see payment setting or payout setting. Then you get to click on payout setting. You can see that you can add your account details over here. So you can add your account details over here. Then once you are done with it, then you save it. And also you can even get to set if you want to receive your payments automatically or manually. So if you want to withdraw at any point, simply just come to where you have wallet. Then you get to see the amount that you've made in your wallet. It's showing 00 naira here because this is a fresh account. Your money will be showing here where you have this 0 naira. Then you get to click on withdraw funds. So now let me show you how you can access the Seller marketplace and what to do if you don't have money to pay for the marketplace. So to access the Seller marketplace, it's actually 3,000 naira to access it. So for you to access the Seller marketplace, just go to your dashboard, your home page. Then you get to see access marketplace. You see the button on your home page. Then you click on access marketplace. So just click on get started. Once you click on get started, then it will bring up another place where you get to click on get started again. So if you are not in Nigeria, just click on this drop down arrow over here and you get to choose any currency that applies to you. I guess you can see the different currencies here. We have US dollar, Ghana cedis. But since we are in Nigeria, we'll leave it as Nigeria. Then you click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will bring up a place where you get to click on pay now. Then once you click on pay now, the next information will be where you get to fill in your payment details. So just over here, click on if you want to pay with card or you want to pay with transfer. Then you just proceed with the whole process. It's very simple, okay? So once you're done paying for the marketplace, you'll get to be welcome with an interface like this. I guess you can see here's the link to the affiliate network, and they said click here. So if you click here, you'll be taken straight to the marketplace. Over here, you click on get started, and you get to see the several products on Seller. I guess you can see all these, right? So these are all the products on Seller that you can get to choose and promote for yourself. So if you want to like promote any products, let me just give you guys an example on how you can copy your affiliate link. I said I'll be showing you guys how to navigate the platform. So let's assume I want to promote this product, affiliate marketing any blueprint. So I'll get to search for it. So you can see, let's assume we want to promote this product, which is affiliate marketing any blueprint. So just simply click on get link, get link. So once you click on get link, you'll be able to get your own personal link. You can see what they wrote here. You are requesting to be an affiliate of affiliate marketing any blueprints, then get link. So click on get link again, and you'll be given a link automatically. So this is showing error because I am the owner of the product, so I can't actually get a link on my own product. So for you, it will just bring up a link that you can use to make a promotion, and also the link will also appear on your own page. So that is exactly how you get to like get your affiliate link. So in case you don't have the 3,000 naira to pay for the marketplace, all you need to do is just click on the link in the description and send me a message on WhatsApp that I should make you an affiliate of my product, so that whenever you make a sale, you can get a 50% commission. All right, so that's sorted, right? So now this brings us to the first step in making sales as an affiliate marketer. So to become successful as a beginner affiliate marketer, you need to choose one product you want to promote. Just one. Just one product. Just choose a product that solves the problem your audience are facing. In fact, you want to make sure it is a hot product you choose. Check the video in the description on how to identify hot products as an affiliate marketer. So after choosing the product, then you want to copy your affiliate link to that product and save on your notepad so that you can easily give out to anyone that wants to make a purchase. That is why I actually took you guys through the process of getting your affiliate link, so that there will not be any challenge at any point. So I guess you see the reason now, right? So just ensure you choose a product and ensure you choose a hot product, and then get the link to that product and save on your dashboard. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Just give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they can also get value from this video. Alright, so let's move on to the next part. The next thing you want to do is to make a post on your most active social media account. You want to make a post on your most active social media account. So let's take Facebook for example. So you have to make a brief welcome or introductory post on your profile and talk about the common problem your audience are facing. You can start with an introduction, probably those that don't even know you. Just post a picture of yourself, then you talk about yourself like, hello guys, you're welcome to my page. My name is Shashin also, and over the months, I discovered that a lot of people are looking for how to make money on the internet, and I got to discover a solution for everybody. So just talk about the solution you discovered, the business model you discovered. Probably you want to teach them how to make money in affiliate marketing or how to make money in freelancing. Do you get? Then you end it with a call to action saying that if you like to learn this business model, just comment interested in the comment section. And you see a lot of people coming to your comment section to say interested, interested, interested. So that was just an example, by the way. So whatever product you are promoting, then just relate it to your products. So once you're done with that, you want to reply to their comments and convert them to leads. So by now you must have gotten a good number of response, a good number of people that commented interested. So you want to reply to their comments by telling them that you sent them a DM. Now in their DM, you want to build a bit of relationship with them. I'm taking guys through the process of making sales. So you want to pay close attention to what I'm explaining. So you want to build relationship with them, because you can't just sell to anyone right away without having a sort of relationship with them. That is why you see a lot of newbies go around posting their affiliate link with the hope of making sales, and they don't usually make sales. This is the major challenge you guys are facing. You are not even trying to build relationship at all, just looking for sales outrightly, and it doesn't work that way. Do you get? So now in their DM, you want to build a bit of relationship with them. So here's a script I created for you guys. Here's a script I created for you guys. So just refine it to your own taste and use it. Let's assume the person's name is Emmanuel. Then you say, good morning, Emmanuel. You indicated interest in dash. So you know what you're promoting over there. So then you say, how are you doing? Then Emmanuel gets to respond. Then you say, what's your goal for wanting to learn this business model? You can further ask them if it is to make money, or probably they want to achieve a certain result, XYZ results. I mean, that results that you know your products can actually give them. So once they respond, then you get to tell them that, okay, XYZ is a good product or business. Then you talk about your products and how it can help them achieve their dream, how it can help them achieve their desired results. Go ahead and ask them if they'll be available for a short call so that I can explain more things to them about the business or about the products. So obviously they'll say they're interested. Then you tell them, all right, great. I'll make time out of my busy schedule to get on a call with you. Will dash PM be a good time for you? So I'm sure they will say yes because they know that you are a very busy person. You've given them an impression that you're a busy person. So they don't want to like miss the opportunity to have a call with you. Once they agree to have a call with you, then you tell them, all right, great. Click the link to connect with me on WhatsApp where we would have our call. So, and you say, see you in so time. So the link you have to send to them should be your WhatsApp link, your custom WhatsApp link, whereby it already have an automated message. So once they click on that link, they should be in your DM saying, hello Charles, I would like to like proceed with the call, or hello Charles, it's good to be in your DM. Just an automated message. Do you get? So just ask them to save your number and also re-emphasize that you will see them in the time you guys chose. Are you getting? Like, guys, I'm really revealing a lot of secrets to you guys right here. So if you take these steps I'm revealing to you, like if you practice these steps, trust me, you are close to making your first sale. So I'm making it very simple for everyone in case you have been struggling to make your first sale all this while. If you are a newbie and you've not made a sale, with this step I'm revealing to you, you should be able to make your first sale as soon as possible. So now this brings us to the fourth stage in making sales as an affiliate marketer. So now this fourth stage is called the sales call stage. The sales call stage. So at this stage, you want to sound very confident on call. You know you'll be on call with them, right? So you want to sound very confident on call. The way you communicate goes a long way to determine if you close the sale. So now if you want to have a very good sales call, you just start by commending their effort to want to solve their problem. Then you go ahead and explain your product or service to them. Then afterwards, you talk about what they tend to benefit from getting your product or service. Then you give them life instances where your product has helped someone achieve their desired results, and you ask if they have any question. So at this point, they will want to ask you a couple of questions. So I always advise you just stay focused and answer what they ask you. Don't get distracted and start talking about what they did not ask you. You get? So ensure you address every question that they ask and be sure that they fully understand your products and how it works and even what they stand to benefit. So then after answering all their questions and you are sure that they don't have any other question, then you end the sales call with an offer. End the sales call with an offer, and that is how you just make a sale. Straight up. If you have a very good offer, trust me, you make a sale instantly. This particular script I'm telling you guys, though this is not the full detail, this particular script has made me a lot of sales in affiliate marketing, hundreds of thousands online. So if you want to get access to this sales script, just click the link in the description to access the script for free. I'll give you for free so that you can use it for yourself and start making money for yourself. So now let's move on to the last stage of making sales as an affiliate marketer. So now this last stage is called the follow-up stage. So now, not everyone will buy instantly. Like after your sales call, not everyone will buy instantly. So you want to ensure you do your follow-up on your lead. You want to ensure you do your follow-up on your lead because sales is in the follow-up. Like sales is in the follow-up. Most time people don't get to buy instantly. It's when you now do follow-up that they now get to buy eventually. So for you to do follow-up, you want to start by posting value content on your status. I'm sure by now they must have saved your contacts. They're already in your WhatsApp DM. So you have to ensure you post value content on your status so that they can already see what you're posting. You have to post testimonials on your status, and you want to ensure you check on them in their DM once in a while. And with time, some of them will start making payment for a product or service. So I guess you now understand how to make your first sale as an affiliate marketer. Let me give you guys some bonus tips. If you want to start this whole process on Facebook, ensure you add new friends on Facebook. Ensure you add new friends. Add new friends every day. People that you feel that are your potential customers, that you feel that they can potentially buy from you. So add new friends on Facebook every day. And each time you feel that you have a lot of new people on your Facebook, you can repeat the process that we did earlier, which is making a post that will lead to people commenting interested. Do you get? That kind of post is called the lead generation post. So once you have a lot of people on your Facebook that you feel you have a lot of new people, just make your introduction post again and they get to comment interested again, and that way you get a whole new lead. So the second thing you want to do is you want to ensure you post valuable content on your Facebook daily. I'm just saying Facebook because we use Facebook as an example here. Over there, if you are using Instagram, if you are using Twitter, then apply the same principle on those platforms. So ensure you post value content daily on your Facebook before you post your lead generation post. That way, you'll be seen as an expert and not someone that is just trying to make a sale or someone that is trying to scam people. So, lastly, ensure that your profile is well optimized. Ensure that your Facebook profile is well optimized. So guys, your job as an affiliate marketer is very simple. Just drive traffic from anywhere on the social media, then generate leads for yourself and make sales. Just simple. Three steps to making sales in affiliate marketing: drive traffic, generate leads, make sales. So focus on what's important, guys, and you see yourself making a lot of sales in affiliate marketing. Alright, so we come to the end of this tutorial, guys. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you got a lot of value from this video. So kindly subscribe to my channel as a form of appreciation if you got value, and comment what you learned in the comment section. Tell me what you learned in the comment section if you actually learned something new.